Hey, I just got done filming my DIY oil update where I added a couple of different oils into it. And I thought I would share with you another one of my absolute favorite oils that is not a DIY in case you're not into that and you don't want to have to mess with it or buy a bunch of oils that you don't know what you're going to do with after you make your own bottle of it. And that is California Pure Naturals Glow Facial Oil. This little jar is like a little liquid gold in here. If I'm not using my own, I'm using this one. I love oils. I am so dry. My skin is just, it's so dry and tight. And I can already feel it changing just in the couple of days since the weather here in New England has changed. I already feel that tightness pulling in and pulling up across here, and ugh. I want to always maintain my skincare routine, whether it's humid and hot. I go lighter on the oils when it's humid and hot, but when the weather starts to change and it dries out, and then I'm just like, slather them on. I'm just like, bury myself in them. So I have two products from Pure Naturals, actually two products from California Pure Naturals, and I'd like to use them together. The moisturizer I use a lot, in the weekdays, probably 3 to 5 mornings each week, along with my other skincare that I showed you. I had not shown you this. I don't think I showed you this in that because it's more sporadic. It's not, the other ones are staples. I use them no matter what. But this one is a kind of an add-in. If I have extra time, I will throw this one on. And I also wanted to wait because I knew I'd be doing a review with the oil. So I just wanted to put these two together. To me, they work hand in hand. They are glorious. Yes, they give you a beautiful glow. So the first one is the Organic Facial Hydrator, and in that, oh, here we go, tiny, why can't they make the writing just a wee bit bigger? Aloe vera leaf juice, rose geranium flower leaf stem extract, organic grape alcohol, glycerin sea salt, Siamopsis guargum, xanthan gum, lavender oil, which can be irritating to some people. I don't have an issue with it, and I think if it's in small enough doses, there are great skin benefits to it. But just make sure you do a patch test. Pomegranate seed extract, blackberry leaf extract, black tea leaf extract, green tea leaf extract, burdock root extract, nettle extract, calendula officinalis, which is calendula flower extract, mulberry leaf extract, hickory bark extract, and hickory bark extract. So there are a lot of goodies in here too. So the way I do it is I apply this, I put, a few drops, it isn't a dropper, I put a few drops on my hands, swirl it like this, press it all around, kind of massage it through. I do give it a few minutes, and then I will apply the oil. The oil the oil I also use alone. This I will just put on any time of the day, whenever my skin is feeling tight and dry, either this or my DIY, which I will link the video below for the updated version and the original version, because they're both great, they're both fantastic. So, but I did want to suggest this one in case you aren't into the DIY, like I just said, and you're looking for something and you want to start using oils. This one is a scrumptious recipe. This is made with blackberry oil, and that is an antioxidant. It has carotenoids in it, essential fatty acids, polyphenols, anthocyanins for collagen synthesis. So this helps with sagging of the skin, tightening the skin, it improves elasticity, and of course all those luscious antioxidants that we need so badly for our skin. It also has kiwi, which I think in here they're using it more as a carrier oil, which is fine. It doesn't lessen the potency or the density of the nutrients. But I'm not sure. I just, kiwi is a great carrier oil, so I'm thinking that might be their carrier. So I don't know how they split their formula up, but I'm just pondering. So kiwi is high in vitamin C, E, and magnesium, essential fatty acids. It's good for cracked skin and lips. I don't put this on my lips though, but I do go right up under my eyes. Being 60% omega-3 alpha-linolenic acid, it is extremely nourishing. Hey Neo. Neo's back. Hi buddy. Pomegranate oil, which has the rare punicic acid in omega-5, and I do not see that in many oils at all. Omega-5 helps with preventing changes in DNA to cells, so it is good for using if you're going to be out in the sun. It's just an extra protective measure, but you must have your sunscreen as well. It is not a sunscreen. Also in here is grape oil, and I have that in my DIY as well. That's very high in vitamin C, E, and antioxidants to aid in fighting wrinkles and of course preventing fine lines and wrinkles, along with all of the other antioxidants. So together these two are a force. They really are, and I've used them individually and I use them together, and they feel good, they feel comfortable, they absorb well. And I love the fact that this is called Glow Facial Oil, because actually, yes, blackberry oil is known for giving your skin a glow. The other oil I wanted to bring up, because it's still my queen bee, you have to be careful if you have sensitive skin or are acne prone, but, you know, coconut oil, virgin, cold pressed, organic coconut oil is still one of the best oils that you can put on your skin, your face, your body, wherever. So I also add this on every now and then. I don't use it as frequently as I used to, and that's just because I have so many others that I'm always putting on. But this is still my baby. That's it, short and quick and to the point. I just wanted to share briefly with you a couple of other oils. I have also tried, Physicians Formula has an oil in a jar, a pretty little tube, and that has several different mixes of oils in it, and I don't remember what that is because I ran out and I haven't repurchased it because I still have so much of my other oils and I don't want rancidity to set in. But that was a good one too. So if you like Physicians Formula and if you can get it on sale, I think it was about $19 for the 2-ounce bottle. Oh, price wise, this I believe was 25 or 20. And this was about the same, or this one might have been 20, and then I did get them on sale for like $5 off through Costco, so I don't recall exactly what I paid for them, but they were within that $20 range, and so to me that's okay. So give these things a try and let me know what you think. Any other oils that you come up with? There are, you know, there is a myriad of oils out there that all provide such wonderful skin benefits that some are better than others for certain purposes. Some are more anti-inflammatory, some work towards scarring and acne. A lot of the oils that I incorporate into my blend as well as in these have those same acne and scar fighting properties too, for healing the skin. Hey, thanks for joining me, and I hope one of these works out for you. Do try the DIY as well if you're into that thing. If not, this could be a staple for you. Thanks. I'll see you guys next time.